Open your Inventor file, click File, Export CAD Format, change the file type to STL, click Options, change the units to millimeter, resolution to high, click OK. Give it an appropriate name, click Save. Repeat for your other part. File, Export, CAD Format, file type STL, Options, units millimeter, resolution high, click OK, click Save. So that's complete from Inventor. Next up, you want to open up Cura. So that's Start, and you might have it installed already. So Cura 4.6 is which one we're using now. When it loads into the screen, make sure that you select the correct 3D printer. So either the Ender 3 or Ender 3 Pro, or you can add a printer if you don't have one already. So non-networked. So Creality, and select Ender 3 or Ender 3 Pro and click Add. Click Next. Okay, so now you can select your printers up here. You can change the material here. We're using PLA. In particular, we're using eSun PLA Plus, and you can select a color such as black, white, or purple. Okay. Down here, you want to change. You can change some settings. So profile. This is the layer thickness in the infill. If it doesn't give it to you, it's because the settings are blocked out due to the plastic choice. If you change your plastic choice to say a generic material, you can then change the profile. So the profile is the layer thickness. About 0.2 is going to be fine. Change your infill down to between 10 and 20%. You don't need support. Sometimes you might need it. Adhesion, you don't need that. Close that out. Click on Open. Find your file, so Controller Base. Select your file. Change to Rotate, and click Select Face and select the bottom of your surface. To rotate in the screen, you right-click and hold down your right mouse button. To center this in the screen, you right-click and you go Arrange All Models. You select Slice. This will split it up into layers of 0.2 millimeters. 6 hours and 43 seconds is how long this will take to print. You can click Preview, and on the right hand, this slider will show you kind of how it's going to slice the model. This one shows like each layer what the printer is going to do. When you're ready, click on the drop down arrow and click Save to File. Give it an appropriate name such as Controller Base Cope and click Save. You can click Open Folder and you'll find your file should be there, and it should be a 3D model file. This one you want to drag onto the USB and then plug it into the printer. And that's it. To change your model, you select your model, hit delete, and you can load. So let's close that out. Back to prepare, and you can load a new model. So the lid, click rotate, go around to the back, select the bottom, right click, arrange. The settings here are the same, and you can slice it again.